gathered food for a rainy day. Along came a big bear and scared him away. "A monster is after me," the bear cried. But with these words the bear lied. "Save me," the rabbit begged, "you are strong." Bear promised, "I will make sure the monster is gone. I will protect you." But he took the rabbits home and food too. Tired of this thumper ran through the woods to another side. Bear feasted and laughed until he cried. A fire got started by the bear's monster, which was really a man. A fiery bake spread through the bear's land. The rabbit had found a river, so he jumped in, while the bear ate and rubbed his chin. The last laugh was on that old bear. He escaped with his life, but he lost all of his hair. Even if something is bad enough to make you cry, know this, it never pays to lie. If you live as you should do, you will treat others as you want them